Little update on things. I've hit 250 subscribers, which is mind-blowing to me. I know it's a little bit for a lot of people, but that's a big number for me. I haven't forgot about the trailer build over there. I don't know if you've built anything lately, but it's expensive. The aluminum I priced out around 400 bucks, and then the hinges are 200 bucks. I mean, it's not a lot of money considering I just spent a whack ton of money building that, but I'm trying to save up and buy this place. So that's a lot of money. I don't know if you've bought a house recently, but where I'm at, they've gone up considerably. So I wish I could just, spend a ton of money and start working on that, but I can't right now. So unfortunately, that's the way it is. Now that the truck's finished, I can start selling that firewood over there and collect more to sell. Firewood is also really expensive right now, so that actually helps me out a lot. But yeah, that's where we're at. I did pick up this reefer unit for free though. Future project, that's going to be a firewood processor. Well, not the reefer unit, but the engine that's inside of it. So I just finished filming a will it start, because it hasn't started in 15 plus years. So now that I know, well, you have to watch the video, or you'll have to watch the rest of this video. But I don't need all of this. I don't need this, don't need all this. So what I'm doing is slowly separating everything out: aluminum, steel, copper, brass, and taking that all back to the scrapyard. I'm gonna put the will it start for this in the end of this update video, but I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed, and I hope you keep watching. The trailer is coming. There is firewood videos coming. It just takes time. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this will it start video. I had a lot of fun filming it, just because, I don't know, will a 30-year-old diesel engine that hasn't started in 15 years start? So I picked up this 1980s, I want to say, reefer unit for free. It was they were getting rid of it, so I went up and grabbed it. I don't think it started in 20 to 30 years. Did some pre-work on it. Emptied both fuel filters, filled them up with new fuel, reprimed the lines to the injection pump and to the from the prime pump to the injection pump. So that's all new fuel. It turns over because I disconnected the compressor, because that is seized and rusted solid. There was no refrigerant left in the system. It's been sitting emptying for a while. So grab some ether, because it's gonna need some. Let's try and get this thing started. This will be will it start. Okay, I took the intake off and cycle the glow plugs for a bit. Both the fuel shut off and the high-low idle activate. So I'm just cycling the glow plugs. And we'll give her a little spritz of ether and try to get her going. Well, I guess I should put in some fuel. Okay, diesel's coming out of here, and the fuel return's coming in here because all this is still full of old diesel. I don't want it going in my good diesel jerry can. I'm gonna cycle the glow plug some more. Nice part is this whole entire control stand still works. Even the lights here light up when you turn off the power and on. Turn the thermostat, goes from cool to heat. Cycle the glue globe some more and try it again. Wants to go, you can smell the diesel. Back out here with a charged battery this time. Let's try it again. Truck's running this time, so I let him fill the battery. Cycling the glow plug and we'll give it a shot.
loud as fuck.